Hello, my darlings. It is Dean, straight from the thrift store. I actually just thrifted this sweater. And so what usually happens when I get a thrifted sweater is that I come home and I deconstruct it and I play around with it and I try it on with different things in my closet. And I said, you know what? Let me go ahead and do that with you guys actually here, because I'm my goal is to help you figure out how to best style the things that are already in your closet, or the items that are already in your closet, as I should say. And then think about different ways that you can style items that you've thrifted, because there are so many great pieces in the thrift store. And so I usually deconstruct my sweaters, but I think I've only shown you guys once how I do that. And so why not show you again? So let's go in the mirror so that you can see how one way that I'm going to style the sweater. And then after I deconstruct it, we'll show you the style again, as well as another way that I'm thinking about wearing it. All right. Okay, so here's a sweater with a skinny jean. You guys know that I love a skinny jean. And it's cute. You know, it's got, it's gray, gold, and white. You know, you can do some winter white stuff with it. But it needs some zhuzhing. Ooh. It needs some zhuzhing, like I just zhuzhed my hair. So let's see what we can do to give it a new life. All right, so I'm going to remove the collar. The first thing that I do is cut down the middle. You can go as wide as you want. You can stay as close as you want. Because it's a tighter sweater on me, I think that I'm going to go a little further out so that it really comes down across the shoulders. So, as you can see, I made the incision, and I'm just going to follow the line of the sweater. This is a great thing to do, especially if you find a sweater at the bins and you practice, because it's a very inexpensive practice, right? All right, so I'm just following, as you can see, I'm just following along the line. And one thing you'll notice is that there is no wrong or right way to cut, because once you stretch it out, it's just going to flow along the shoulders. So I'm just staying with the curve of the collar. Can you see that? Yeah, you guys can see that. All right, so I'm staying with the curve of the collar. Easy peasy. All right, so let's turn it this way. As you can see, like I said, it doesn't matter if it's jagged, because once you pull it, it's all going to come together. So let's keep on going. Let's cut through the seam. Oops, sorry. All right. Sorry, wrong angle. Let's do it this way. All right. Start from the middle right there. Just gonna continue. There we go. So this is the collar. Let's go ahead and see what it looks like in the mirror. There we have it, guys. We now have a beautiful off-the-shoulder sweater to go with our skinny jeans. We just gave it a new life. And you can do this there, you guys know, especially in the men's section, there are so many beautiful graphic men's sweaters. You can go to town. I do this all the time. Like I said, I've done this once. If I can find the video, I'll link it up above. But yeah. Inexpensive way to rejudge a look. So as always, I don't just want to show you one way to wear something. There are like 2 other different outfits that I can see with this sweater. Let's check it out. Okay, so here is the skirt from the sequin video, and it's picking up the gold in the sweater, and I actually really like this. This is really comfy casual. I like this. It's bunching up because I pulled up the skirt, but you guys get the picture. But I really like that. Very sultry. This is very Dynasty on a Friday night and Crystal's getting the bad news about something. Or very Blanche Devereaux. But I like this. This gold skirt is coming in to be a great thrift purchase, right? Yeah, I like this. Okay, so another way, leather skirt. You can't go wrong with a leather skirt. And it's very rocker chic when you're showing the shoulder like that. I like that. I like that a lot. This is literally what I do when I try on outfits. Press like if you do the same thing. Model in the mirror, see what you're gonna look like when you walk in. Play with your hair a little bit. Hee hee ha. But yeah, I like this. With the leather skirt. I like it. Well, there you have it. I hope you enjoyed me showing you how I deconstruct my vintage pieces. Like I said, go to the men's section, grab yourself an oversized sweater, and go to town. There is nothing like creating something fabulous and just giving new life to things that may be discarded. I get a thrill from it. And you know what? Nobody has your stuff. That's the main thing. My fashionistas, you know what I'm saying. All right, love you. Have a happy holiday. See you soon. Mwah. Bye.